Howdy folks, and welcome back to Mindful Diabetes. Today we're making a delicious and healthy vegetarian chili, and we're going to touch on some important health tips, especially about canned ingredients and their benefits. So, without further ado, let's get started. We're going to start by dicing half an onion and one pepper of your choice, red, green, yellow, or whatever color pepper you happen upon. And then we're going to also mince garlic. Well, if you're like me, you can buy garlic already minced. Onions and garlic are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. Peppers, on the other hand, are rich in vitamin C, which supports immune function and healthy skin. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil so that we can saute the onion, bell pepper, and garlic until softened, which is about 5 minutes. Olive oil is great for heart health, providing healthy fats that reduce inflammation. Plus, this step helps release all the wonderful flavors from the vegetables. After this, we're going to add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes along with a tablespoon of chili powder, or as much chili powder as you'd like. Now, I know some people are concerned about using canned ingredients, but canned tomatoes are picked at peak ripeness and can be even more nutrient-rich than fresh tomatoes. Just be sure to check for cans labeled BPA-free to avoid harmful chemicals. We are going to let that simmer, and while that simmers, we're going to add our cans into the sink so that they can be rinsed and washed. After this, add one 15-ounce can of kidney beans, one 15-ounce can of black beans, and one 15-ounce can of corn. Canned beans are a convenient and healthy source of fiber and protein, which helps manage blood sugar and keep you feeling full longer. When using canned beans, I also recommend rinsing them to remove some of the added soda. Now, we're going to go ahead and reduce the heat and let the chili simmer for about 20 minutes to allow all the flavors to meld together. If it becomes too thick, you can add water, half a cup at a time, to get the consistency you like. This slow simmering process really enhances the depth of flavor. To finish, you can top your chili with a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only creamy and delicious, but it also adds probiotics, which support your gut health. And cheddar cheese gives you a nice calcium boost. And there you have it, a healthy, hearty vegetarian chili using some super convenient canned ingredients. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and helpful tips. See y'all next time.
I know it's yogurt.
Why the fuck is there yogurt out here?
It's part of the recipe. It's part of the recipe.
What recipe? For what goddamn recipe? I thought it was vegan. Oh my god.
No, I'll take that one. To make yourself a new one.
Oh my god. Bro, that dominance from fucking just bareback.